Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check if a YouTube channel is monetized and if a YouTube channel has a monetized videos. Very easy, very simple. Let's launch the YouTube app first. Let's go on YouTube feed and try to find the channel that we're interested. Let's say for example this channel over here. You want to click on the channel, not on the video. Then when you're at the channel, you want to go on the top right corner and click on the three dots, okay? Then I want you to simply click share and copy the link. Now I want you to go on Google Chrome and I want you to look for this particular website. The website is called Is This Channel Monetized? You want to click on the website, you want to scroll down, and here you want to paste the link from the channel that you're interested. Then you click check monetization. Okay, it's usually very fast. Okay, so this is the YouTube channel that we looked, and according to this, the channel is probably monetized. They don't give you guarantee. The channel has at least 3 monetized regular videos. It gives you information about the views that they have generated, the amount of subscribers. Here are few numbers to give you an idea of how much this channel could have made with 1 billion views. Wow, that's a lot of money. And this is simply with different RPMs. And the videos could vary between the categories as well. Interesting. But guys, this is how you can find if a channel is monetized and if a channel has some monetized videos. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.